Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sadik and I'm going to share my very recent travel experience with you all. I'm sure there's a lot of uncertainty amongst all of us whether or not travel is safe right now, and I hope this video helps you making your travel plans. I had a connecting flight from Lucknow to Udaipur via Delhi, and I'm going to start by saying that I was pretty impressed by the amount of precautionary measures that have been taken up by the airports as well as the airlines collectively in terms of ensuring safe and secure travel for all the passengers, also the staff members who work at the airports and on the aircrafts. I booked my tickets through Indigo website, and web check-in now has been made mandatory. You need not carry any printed boarding pass. There's another self-health declaration form that is mandatory for you to fill online. It has a couple of details like your phone number, email ID, age, destination address and destination pin code. It has a small declaration below all these details which says I have declared that I'm not residing in any of the containment zones, I'm not suffering from any of the symptoms, I am not under quarantine. If I ever develop any of the symptoms, I will immediately contact the concerned health authorities. I have not tested COVID-19 positive in the last 2 months. I am eligible to travel as per the extent norms. I will make my mobile number, contact details available to Indigo whenever required by them. I understand that if I undertake the air journey without meeting the eligibility criteria, I would be liable to penal action. I will adhere to the health protocol prescribed by the destination wherever you're heading to. So now it is your responsibility to make sure that you're meeting all these eligibility criteria before you get on board. Now there's another added process wherein you have to print your own luggage tags and paste it to your bags in case if you have any of the check-in bags. Luggage allowance policy remains as it is. The only difference is that you can carry only something which you can store under your seat in the cabin, because you're not allowed to keep anything in the overhead bin. Couple of things which are made mandatory on the website for you to enter inside the airport, which is you should have Arogya Setu app downloaded on your phone. You should be wearing a mask, hand gloves and carrying your own sanitizer. You should have the self-health declaration form that you filled, a printed one. You should be carrying your boarding pass on your phone with a physical original ID, and the baggage tags that you already attached to your bags. The moment I reached at the Lucknow airport, the very first step was to sanitize all my bags, which was right outside the airport on the main road, and then I moved towards the CISF Jawan who checks all your IDs, and they do not really touch any of your documents. They're actually sitting behind a glass shield and they have a camera in front onto which you need to show your boarding pass and the ID, which is visible on the desktop screens which is in front of them. Once you're done with that process, you have pedal hand sanitizer available with which you can sanitize your hands and get inside the airport. Then we had yellow stripes on the floor to adhere social distancing between people standing in the queue. After dropping my check-in baggage, I headed to my boarding gates and through the scanning process wherein again nobody touches any of your boarding passes or IDs. It was also not stamped. I have sanitizers available everywhere. After each process, I moved into the seating area wherein all the seats had stickers which says that you're not allowed to sit on certain seats, ensuring social distancing between people. So basically it was a pattern wherein you have to leave one seat between the other two. The entire airport area and all the food and beverage outlets were regularly being sanitized, and all of the staff were wearing PPE kits. Once the boarding gates opened and the boarding started, we could actually see that the entire aircraft was being sanitized. Social distancing was regularly maintained at all times while boarding the flight, and luckily I have a sample available to show it to you. So this is the kit that they give it to each passenger, and it is mandatory for you to wear, which includes a face mask, 2 packets of sanitizers and a face shield. All the seats in the aircraft were occupied, the middle seats were not left empty. I guess having protective kits on instills more confidence in all of us traveling together. There was constant sanitization happening all across the airport area as well as the food and beverage outlets. There was social distancing maintained at all places. You could see the yellow stripes and marks and stickers reminds you of keeping adequate distance between each other. Went through the security check-in again. The boarding started. We were again provided with the protective kits, which is mandatory for everyone to put it on. Crew on board is wearing the entire PPE kit, and the food and beverage service is suspended temporarily to reduce contact, but you can definitely ask for water or in case if there's any other assistance required. Landing at the Udaipur airport, we were headed towards the luggage belt. We were constantly reminded of maintaining social distance. All our bags arrived completely sanitized. Post collecting our bags, we had to go through two different counters, one of which was by Indigo, wherein you have to go through a thermal screening. The another one is through the local administration, wherein they are collecting all your contact details. And this is where your self-health declaration form really helps you out. I could also see that there are sanitizers kept at different stations at the airport. So I think it was a pretty safe travel that I've had. So this was all about my flying experience. I hope this answers a lot of your questions. Hoping that we adapt to the new normal as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for listening to me. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.